12वेच्या परीक्षेचो निकाल 20 जूनाच्या लागीं जाल्यार 10वेच्या परीक्षेचो निकाल जुलयाच्या पयल्या सप्तकांत जातलो म्हूण म्हायती शालांत मंडळाचे अध्यक्ष रामकृष्ण सामंत हांच्यांनी दिल्या। 10वेच्या भोवतेक विद्यार्थ्यांची परीक्षा सोंपल्या। लॉकडावनाक लागून कांय काळ बोर्डाच्यो परीक्षा फुडें धुकलिल्ल्यो, त्यो परीक्षा यशस्वीपणान जाल्यात।
एसएससी आणि HSCC रिझल्ट केन्ना पर्यंत जातले?
See, the higher secondary school certificate examination result will be announced around 20th of this month, June, and exact date of announcement of the result will be informed to the students 2 days before the result. Now, as far as the SSC is concerned, the examination got over yesterday only. And still we have to start with assessment, and this assessment is likely to be completed by 30th of this month, that is June. And I feel that we will be in a position to announce the SSC result by the end of the first week of the July. But 20th is the deadline, because still the correction is going on of 3 papers which were in the examination which were completed. So as soon as we complete the assessment, we declare the exact date of the results.
आरडेक्स खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।